Good afternoon. Where are you headed today?
Hi, I'm going to the Hilton Hotel downtown, please.
Sure thing. It's about a 25-minute drive with this traffic.
No problem. I'm not in a rush.
Are you visiting the city for the first time?
Yes, I arrived this morning. I'm here for a conference.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia, Bogota.
Nice. I've had many Colombian passengers. Friendly people and good coffee.
Yes, we are very proud of our coffee.
How long will you be staying here?
Just 5 days. I hope I can see some of the city, too.
You definitely should. Are you interested in museums, parks, or shopping?
I like museums and local food.
Then you should check out the City Art Museum and try the food trucks near the Riverwalk.
That sounds perfect. Is it safe to walk around there in the evening?
Yes, pretty safe. Just stay in the well-lit areas and don't flash valuables.
Thanks for the advice. I'll be careful.
So, are you enjoying the weather so far?
Yes, it's much warmer than in Bogota.
That's what everyone says. Our summers are hot but not too humid.
Do you drive all day?
Usually from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. It's tiring, but I meet interesting people.
That's true. You must hear all kinds of stories.
Oh yes, some funny, some crazy, and some a little sad.
Well, I hope mine is a happy one.
Definitely. You seem like a positive person.
I try to be. Life's better that way, right?
Absolutely. Oh, look, we're almost at your hotel.
Great. Thank you for the conversation. It helped me practice my English.
You're doing very well. Keep it up and enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too!